What is the central problem of the economy? Central problem of any economy. A economic system or economy is a mechanism. Economy is a mechanism where the scarce resources, see, resources are limited, therefore it's scarce. It should be channelized on priority basis. Priority basis, it has to be channelized to produce goods or services. The goods and services produced by all the section of the economy which decide the national income. Our national income decided by the productions. Generally the human resources are limited and wants are unlimited. Right? Therefore, with the available resources, we have to give the maximum satisfaction. Now, because since resources are limited, wants are unlimited, the problem of choice, see, this is important. Problem of choice arises. Say, example, if coffee is very less, 10, 12 people will arrive, only 8 coffees are available, then what is the problem of choice? You go for tea. Other choice is tea. But you don't prefer cool drinks, right? Either alternative, alternate you'll take. That's called problem of choice. The problem of choice arises out of limited resources and unlimited wants. This is called the economic problem. Every economy, whether the developed or underdeveloped, whether developed or it is a developed or underdeveloped economy, you take any economy, whether developed or undeveloped, or capitalist or socialist or mixed economy, whatever it is, you take any economy. Three things are there. Basic economic problem. Basic economic problems are what to produce. Again we are repeating. What to produce comes from production. And how to produce. To whom to produce. To whom to produce. These are the three basic things. Therefore, productions comes. Therefore, production only you have to see. Whether every country has to decide which goods to be produced, what goods, either to produce and on what quantity, how much you have to produce, that also. Which goods to produce and what should be the quantity, how much, quite a lot. Whether, and other things there are to, should I produce guns or food grains, right? That is one thing, choice. Or next, should we produce consumer goods or capital goods? Like what are consumer goods? Like electrical goods, daily usage products, fast moving consumer goods and all that. In socialist economics, we will only do this one. In socialist economics, the socialist economy, the government has to decide. In the capitalist economy, marketing forces has to decide. You have to know what are the marketing forces decide. In the mixture economy, both government and marketing force has to decide. Okay, this is for production of goods. What to produce means, what to produce is that. These three economics. Production is over. What to produce. Now, how to produce? That also depends upon the either socialist or capitalist or mixed. Capitalists, they won't bother about the workers. Let them die like they'll tell. See this, how to produce. The production of the cloth. Suppose production of the cloth should be handloom or powerloom. For handloom will require lot of workers. You can give lot of job for lot of people, but it is a loss for socialist. Okay, government and take it. For the capitalist economic, it is a loss. They won't bother, right? They'll use some power loops. what 100 people they have to pay, say 1 crore. Here, for same quantity of production, they will spend 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs, they save 90 lakhs for the same quantity of production. That means for 100 laborers, instead of 100 laborers, they will appoint only 10 labor and 90 labor will be starving. That is a capitalist. But socialists, they won't do that. Therefore, the production also, what type? You do is what? Labor intensive. This is called also labor intensive technology. This is capital intensive technology. We use it. Okay. Next, therefore, the economy is just, the country has to decide. Then, whom to produce? That is also important. Whom to produce? See, in the socialist, there are two things are there. Factor of production. What are factors of productions? One is what? Land, labor, capital. Right? These are the factor of productions. And relative price, this is called factor of production. And what are the relative price? Relative price. For land, you need advance or rent. For labor, you need what? Wages. For capital, you need interest. Right? The three things. This is a general introduction. Go through any textbook, you will do it. And the next class, I will tell you to whom you are to produce.